PCB board used in this project is sponsored by the PCBWay company, which is one of the most experienced PCB and PCB assembly manufacturer. They create high quality PCBs at reasonable prices. The Gerber files of the PCB board used in this project can be downloaded from the PCBWay official website. You can find a link in the description. In today's episode, you will learn how to make an IOT Internet of Things based notice board using Nodemcu ESP8266 Wi-Fi Module, MAX7219 matrix 8x8 LED modules and Blynk application. The scrolling text message on the 8x8 LED matrix can be updated at any time from anywhere around the world using the Blynk application. The scrolling speed of the text message can be controlled using a variable resistor or potentiometer. This is version 3 of the 8x8 scrolling message, which is entirely based on my previous two tutorials. Version 1 is based on the computer-controlled scrolling text, while version 2 is based on the Bluetooth-controlled 8x8 LED matrix scrolling text display system. So I highly recommend first watch my previous two tutorials and then you can resume from here. Without any further delay, let's get started. The components and tools used in this project can be purchased from Amazon. The components purchase links are given in the description. This is the 8x8 dot matrix LED module based on the MAX7219 chip. This module has a total of 10 pins, 5 pins on the input side and 5 pins on the output side. The pins on the input side are clearly labeled as CLK, CS, DN, ground and VCC. The pins on the output side are labeled in the same way except the middle pin, which is labeled as the D out. So these output pins are connected with the input pins of the other 8x8 dot matrix LED module. So this way you can connect multiple 8x8 LED display modules, which I will explain in the circuit diagram. The module operating voltage is 5 volts. This is the complete circuit diagram of the IoT based notice board. As you can see, the circuit diagram is very simple. The 8x8 matrix LED display modules are connected in the cascaded form. The output clock pin of the first 8x8 LED module is connected with the input clock pin of the second 8x8 LED display module. Similarly, the output CS pin of the first 8x8 LED module is connected with the input CS pin of the second 8x8 LED module. The D out pin is connected with the DN pin of the second 8x8 LED module, and similarly the ground and VCC pins of the first 8x8 LED module are connected with the ground and VCC of the second 8x8 LED module. The same connections are done for the third 8x8 matrix LED display module. You can increase and decrease the number of 8x8 matrix LED modules as per your requirement. The clock pin, CS pin and DN pins of the first 8x8 matrix LED module are connected with the Nodemcu ESP8266 Wi-Fi Module digital pins D6, D7 and D8. While the ground and VCC pins are connected with the 5 volts regulated power supply based on the LM7805 voltage regulator. This power supply is used to power up the Nodemcu module and all the 8x8 matrix LED display modules. J1 is the female power jack, and this is where we connect a 12 volts adapter, a 12 volts battery or a solar panel. Just by adding the solar panel, you can turn this project into a solar powered IoT notice board. Finally, a variable resistor or potentiometer is connected with the analog pin 0 of the Nodemcu module. This variable resistor is used for controlling the scrolling speed of the text message. For the easy interfacing, I designed a PCB board for the Nodemcu ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. This PCB is manufactured by the PCBWay company. As you can see, the quality is really great. The silk screen is quite clear and the Blynk solder mask looks amazing. I'm 100% satisfied with their work. Now I can easily interface the Nodemcu ESP8266 Wi-Fi module with the MAX7219 8x8 dot matrix LED display modules and other electronic devices. All the connections are done as per the circuit diagram already explained. For more details, read article available on electronicclinic.com. You can find a link in the description. Now let's make the Blynk application. All the libraries used in this project can be downloaded from our website electronicclinic.com. You can find a link in the description. This is almost the same program which I have already explained in my previous 8x8 LED matrix based projects. This time I added the libraries for the ESP8266 and Blynk. Added the authentication token which is generated the time we create a new project in Blynk. This is the name of the Wi-Fi router and this is the password. I defined pins for the variable resistor, DN, CS and clock pins. Finally, I defined some variables of the type string and character which later will be used for converting a string message into an array of characters. Rest of the programming is exactly the same as explained in my previous tutorials. So that's all about the IoT based notice board programming. I have already uploaded this program. Let's watch this project in action. Support me on Patreon for more videos. I hope you liked today's episode. Like and share this video with your friends. See you in next episode and thanks for watching.